Yes, it seems to be proceeding much more quickly than we thought it would. There's the issue of carbon dioxide and recapture of carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide emissions. There's also the issue that in some parts of the world, for example Siberia, there's a lot of methane being released, permafrost and so forth, methane is also a greenhouse gas. That can accelerate global warming even more, although the methane doesn't last as long. There's no question we're in trouble on this, and we could see, we haven't really made very much progress at all. The United States needs to join the agreements that we had before. There are things that can be done that some scientists are working on. Taylor Wilson at the University of Nevada is one of them, I think. You could go to more small fission reactors, which he has proposed. You could go to certain kinds of solar farms. There's a lot you can do to make the power industry not only safer, by the way, if it's decentralized more, if you allow local generation of power with solar, for example, it's not as vulnerable to enemy disruption, even to EMP. If you decentralize the transmission and have more produced consumed locally, which I didn't say in the last segment. So that would be there's synergy for making the grid more resilient and dealing with climate change and generating power locally in a renewable way. But the global warming is accelerating more rapidly even than Al Gore said it would. The problem is one of rate of change. There's a curve, and it's a mathematical curve. You study calculus, you study derivatives, you study rate of change, and the inflection is changing, and the rate of global warming is accelerating. So yes, we absolutely have to do something about it, and it can be a moral problem. We could come to a point where ordinary citizens are asked not to fly. That was asked in the Democratic debate. The candidates said no, they didn't think that would really happen. But we need to get going with the innovation. We need to come up with solutions. If we have all electric cars, will you be able to charge your car in remote parts of the country, like you can buy gas now? How are we going to handle that problem? We really need to get to work on this. And Trump is 4 years of this, we've gotten in the way. So this is very serious.